4 years. 4 years the government has had to find something to substitute for this. But a number of persons keep saying, this is just a short-term measure. So just give them this extension so that by January we can put something in place. I think it's important to point out that talks started in December 2018. I think it was January 2019 when we had a session at Vale Royal and we shared the opinion of the King's Council. 4 years in, they're still asking for more time. 5 years into the use of the state of emergency, they're still asking for more time. The SOE procedure was considered a last line of defense to protect the state against the subversion of the constitutional order of democratic governance. There is nothing routine about it. It is not permitted as a crime-fighting tool. It is a serious invasion on the established basic human rights constitutionally guaranteed to all Jamaicans.